Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Me the Breeze. We'll begin by mastering the core chords. The song is built around three simple open chords: a major, D major, and E major. These are very common and easy to switch between. Practice transitioning smoothly from it to D, then to E, and back again. Focus on clear, ringing notes for each chord. This foundational step is crucial for playing the entire tune with confidence and a good feel. Next, let's tackle the signature strumming pattern. It's a laid-back, bluesy feel, often described as down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep your wrist loose and relaxed. The first downstroke of each measure often gets a bit more emphasis, giving it that classic shuffle. Practice this pattern slowly with each chord, ensuring a steady rhythm. Consistency is key to capturing the song's groove, so take your time and feel the beat. Now for some of those iconic lead licks that give the song its character. Many of these are based around the minor pentatonic scale. You can find great licks around the 5th and 7th frets, particularly on the D and G strings. A classic move involves a slight bend on the 7th fret of the G string, followed by hitting the 5th fret. Experiment with these simple phrases to add your own bluesy flavor. These small additions truly make the song come alive. Finally, let's talk about practice and the song's structure. Call Me the Breeze is a classic 12-bar blues progression in the key of A. This means the chord changes follow a predictable pattern. Start by practicing each section individually, then gradually piece them together. Don't rush the process. Slow and steady practice builds muscle memory. Listening to the original recording multiple times will help you internalize the feel, timing, and subtle nuances of this timeless tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.